Please pay attention. This is just a preview. To get the full free affiliate marketing course, click the link above the video, and get started with Affiliorama today. It's free.
To take a look at some of the examples of affiliate sites and how they're making their money. The first site we're going to look at is an example of an affiliate site promoting affiliate products with a smattering of AdSense. It's quite a large site with a lot of things going on inside it. When you first visit the site, it seems like information overload. It looks difficult to tell where to go or what to read first. However, if you click around the site a bit and read some of the articles, you'll see that eventually all roads lead to the product review pages or directly to affiliate programs. Let's take a look at the top program reviews page. At the top of the page, the affiliate has a section displaying the 5-star weight gain programs. Clicking on the product name takes you directly to the merchant's page through the affiliate's link. Incidentally, you may notice this affiliate has stopped most of his affiliate links being displayed in the status bar when you hover over them by using a small piece of JavaScript. This makes the link more attractive to nervous clickers who might be scared away by the complicated-looking URL, and also helps to prevent link hijacking. If you don't directly click through to the merchant site, you can choose to read the affiliate's short or full reviews of each product. The short reviews appear further down the same page, while the full reviews have a whole page to themselves. The review for the recommended products are understandably glowing. These are 5-star products after all, and again include the affiliate's affiliate link. So how much is this affiliate earning from these links? If you click on No Nonsense Bodybuilding, you're taken through to the merchant site. If you then scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the affiliate's link to the affiliate program page. If you follow this, avoid the pop-up box and wade through the sales pitch for the affiliate program, you'll see that the merchant pays 75% commissions on the product, which costs $77, netting the affiliate $53 per sale. You'll also see there is an additional revenue to be gained from upsells and one-time offers.
This is just a preview. To get the full free affiliate marketing course, click the link above the video, and get started with Affiliorama today. It's free. Or visit mmn-global.com/business. Click the link above the video. Or visit mmn-global.com/business and get started with Affiliorama today. It's free. What are you waiting for?